Hello everyone. Hope all of you are fine. I hope you are enjoying my videos too. Today I have come with a new chapter. Chapter 8, Impact of Technology on Livelihoods. Chapter 8 for 8th class, Social Studies, Impact of Technology on Livelihoods. What do you mean by impact of technology? Impact of technology is nothing but effect or impression of technology on the livelihoods. How technological change affects the life of the people. Now, let us study about this in greater detail. Changes in technology. Technology is something that we use in our everyday life. Like when you're talking on your mobile phone, you're studying on your mobile phone, when you switch on the TV, when you work on your computers, when you sit under AC, all this is nothing but the changes in technology. That is the latest technology that is used by you and me. What is technology? Technology is the practical application of knowledge in our everyday life that leads to a new product or an improvement in the way something works or something is done. When you sharpen your pencil, you use instruments for cutting and chopping. You cook in different vessels. That is, you are using the latest technology. From simple instruments and equipments to the complicated machinery that we use. All these are the part of technology. Technology can be found everywhere. At home, or in factories, in your school, or for communication and transport. So technology plays a very important role. Like you can see the use of mobile phones today. That is use of technology. Think of all the complicated machinery and technology used nowadays in space exploration. In space exploration also, the latest technology is used in factories, for transportation, and in various other fields also we use technology. And now children, we have even studied about the Industrial Revolution in our previous classes. Yes, during the 18th and 19th century, when industrialization took place in Britain, it brought a tremendous change. When they started making use of machinery, the production has increased on large scale. You can take the example of invention of steam engine. Steam engine also plays an important role. Steam engine changed many production processes in factories. When a new machine or method of production is created for the first time, it is called an invention. Practical application of these ideas take a long time and depends upon many factors. Technical developments or technical improvements can be found due to completely new types of machinery. Like you can take the example of power looms, you can take the example of X-ray machines, or you can take example of any other product. So, technology plays a very important role in the lives of many people. You can take the example when Henry Ford of USA started the assembly line method of production to produce more number of cars quickly. More number of cars he has produced. So while he was producing, the use of raw material, that is the iron and steel and the other requirements that were there, the production of it has increased. The internal combustion engine, new materials and chemical products, communication also plays important role. Technical change can lead to a new product or a new way of producing the same goods or services. You know that whenever there is technological change, more number of jobs are created. Like supply of raw material. We have learnt about invention of car. When cars were manufactured, the production of raw material, what all is needed, like we have discussed earlier about the tires, the steel that is needed, the colors that are needed, all these things were, the demand for it has increased. Also using these machines leads to more number of jobs. For example, cars and buses are produced with iron and steel. And there is demand for drivers, mechanics, petrol stations, etc. Not only the raw material children, it is creating employment opportunities also. Like when more number of cars or buses are manufactured, for driving these cars and buses also, we need drivers, we need petrol stations, we need repairing centers, we need mechanics. So, in this way, the employment opportunities are also created. But technology is not always welcome because people are afraid that they would lose job. People did not welcome technology because they were afraid that they would lose their job. Because whatever work done by 10 people, for example, whatever work done by 10 people is done by one machinery. So, one person can sit on this machinery and he can operate the machine. So, 9 other people, they are losing their job. In this way, people were afraid of machineries. They did not welcome the technology. For example, in the 19th century in England, many textile artisans, they have protested violently against the new power looms which would replace them. Like you can take the combined harvesters that are used in many villages nowadays. What is happening here? People are losing their jobs. You can take the example of introduction of computers in India. When computers were introduced for the first time in India, people were afraid that they would lose their jobs. It is true that some jobs are lost, but on the other hand, we should see, children, every coin has got its two sides. On the other hand, we should see that it is bringing something new. Some new technology is used by us. Of course, some people are losing their jobs in the initial stages, but later on, the employment opportunities will be created for them. Like some showrooms will be there where computers are sold. Some shops will be there when computer spare parts are sold. Some centers will be there when repairing work can be done. So, in this way, children, different employment opportunities will also be created. It is not correct to say that technology should not be welcome. Of course, technology should be welcome, but technology